J2EE tutorials. In this tutorials, we can discuss with how to view all the cookies which are created. So here in this previous tutorial, we have created an application which can use to add the cookies. And in this tutorials, we can view all those cookies which have been created by this My Servlet application. Here first of all we need to create a servlet here. So right click on the web pages, go for the servlet, and this servlet is get all cookies. Go for next and add information to the deployment descriptor and finish it. So remove all these unwanted comments. That's it. Okay, so here in this one we can start off with obtaining the cookies. Here I will create one object of the cookie class. So cookie, so we can go for cookie. It's a cookie equals to none, and this I will import this class, and then I can go for cookies, one more object which is of type array equals to request dot get cookies. So this one of the method with the request object that is called get cookies. So this method will returns number of cookies, so not number of cookies, all the cookies associated with the response object. And here that is stored into the cookies object which is of type array, and here we can go for test whether the cookies are available or not. Cookies not equal to null. So if cookies not equal to null, then what we need to do is we need to go for a for loop to obtain all the cookies. For int I equals to, I will put 0 and I less than cookies dot length and I plus plus. And here in this if statement, so I can go for cookie equals to cookies of I. So each cookie will be assigned to the cookie object here, and after that I go to print out dot write. So name of the cookie I am going to print here. So cookie dot get name, and after this plus and a break, and one more statement that is called write. So here value of the cookie, value equals to plus cookie dot get value plus do the break. So this is how the cookies are retrieved using the cookie array and cookie object using the request.get cookies method. So in this program, the request.get cookies is the method which can returns the array of cookies, and that will be stored into the cookie object, means the cookie array object, and we are checking whether the cookies are available or not. So if they are available, then we are getting the total length of the cookies and printing each and every cookie using the cookie object here. So each and every cookie will be assigned to the cookie object, and that cookie, using that cookie object, we are obtaining the name and the value associated with the cookies. So let's run this application right now. So run it. Alright, so I got that output. So here I can put my name. I can put one more name. So here click on submit. So here username and the password. So that those are supposed to be cookies right now. So click view all cookies. So this is browse cookie. This servlet is not available here. Let me check what happened. So here the name of the servlet is supposed to be browse all cookies, and we need to change that in my servlet. So that is here browse all cookies. Save this, run it one more time, and I'll put name here and submit. Alright, so click on view all cookies. Still I got a problem here. Let me check what happens. All cookies. Okay, run this. Alright, I'm gonna go with the name and the password. Submit. So go for the view of all cookies. Alright, I got the name is supposed to be ABC here, and values Amar, and name is supposed to be MNO, and values Asha. So this is how the cookies are printed using the cookies object. So here in this program in my servlet.java, what we have did is you put the name of the cookie is ABC and its value is username. Username is nothing but the value that is coming from index.jsp, and the cookie name MNO and value is password, which is nothing but the value from this index.jsp application. So here the age for the cookie is supposed to be 24 hours, and I am adding that cookie to the response object. And after that, after printing that values username and password, I'm using get all cookies a link here. Once the get all cookies has been clicked, it will comes to the get all cookies. That get all cookies will be having an object called cookie, which is a cookie object, and the cookies, it is an array of cookie object, and that will be assigned to requested get cookies. So requested get cookies, it will return array of cookies associated with the request here. And next thing, if cookies not equal to null, if cookies are available, it's nothing but if cookies are available, then do this work. So the work is supposed to be for int I is equal to 0, and obtaining the length of the cookie and testing for that. And if it is true, then cookie is equal to cookie of I, that means first cookie is cookie of 0, will be assigned to this cookie object, and that object will be used to get the name and get the value of the cookies. So I put one more statement for here, out dot write, that is break. Save this and run this application. So I put the cookies here and just click on submit. So this is username and the password here, and they are nothing but the values of the cookies, and those are nothing but the values of the cookies. The values are supposed to be here, username equals to requested get parameter and requested get parameter pass, and the values of the cookies for ABC and MNO. So once if I go for the view all cookies, So this is suppose name is equal to ABC and value is equal to this one, and the name is equal to and value is equal to Asha. See, this is what actually the cookies. So name of the cookies is ABC and its values POOJA, and name of the cookies M1 and its values ASHA. So here this is how the cookies have been set and retrieved in the Servlet application. So thanks for watching this tutorial. In the next tutorial we can see more concepts on servlets.